specifications, and any minor paint imperfections are corrected with a thorough polishing. When cleaning the sunroof and refurbishing an older car, attention to detail is essential. We remove the oil film from the glass so rainwater sheets off, more easily improving visibility and making wet weather driving much safer. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.